Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change thumbnail of a Instagram video. So let's start. First tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select the video you want to post. Now tap next on top right corner. You can add a filter. You can also trim the video if you want to. Now tap on cover to add a thumbnail. Set the thumbnail carefully, since you cannot change the thumbnail after you post the video. So I'll just select this frame. Now let's post it. So once you have posted the video, you cannot change the thumbnail anymore. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.